Hello there, welcome to the next channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Now today we're going to continue our blouse. Okay, now as I said last week, I've pinned the placket to the right hand side of the blouse, and this is the wrong side. Okay, it goes in 118 to the blouse itself, and then I stitch 5/8 from this end. So I'm gonna adjust myself and then we'll take it from there. So hold on. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. So let's stitch that part. What did I do here? I mess up. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did not thread the machine properly, so it was giving me a hard time. Okay, now here it is. Yeah. Let's see if the camera will focus. It's hard to see. Anyway, I'm gonna join the shoulders, size seam hem, and then I'm gonna pin the collar to it, and I'll be right back. Okay, hold on. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. Everything is done except the buttonholes and the collar. So I just pin it to the blouse. So I'm gonna stitch it with you guys, okay? This is a little bit tricky. Because of the circular cut, it's a little bit tricky. With something like this, you have to just take your time and go around the circle. If not, you get some pack rings. So you can see what I'm doing. There we go. I'm gonna turn it around the wrong side, and I'm gonna stick the face in, and I'll be back. Hold on.